What's going on, everybody? Tom the Car Guy here, and I am inside the 2020 Ford Escape SE. This is very, very different than what you'd see with the previous generations, the 19s and olders. The interior of this car is completely redone, but I am going to go over the Ford Sync 3 system here with you. So, with that being said, this is the home screen. You hit home, this is exactly where it's going to bring you. Basic controls. It's going to tell you your temperature controls. Oops. My bad, I didn't want to do that. It's going to tell you your temperature up top. As you can see, it is changing there. It's going to come across your screen. If you use the hard points down at the bottom. Your clock, simply tap to change. 24-hour mode, military time for those of you guys who don't really understand that, and AM, PM, your minute change, your hour change. And you can always reset the clock to your GPS time. Over here, it's showing you it's connecting and your Wi-Fi capabilities. Vehicle connectivity, it is sending vehicle data, so you can do over-the-air updates. This particular model does not have navigation built into it. So as you can see here, you do just have your very, very simple compass. You tap on it all you want, it's not gonna do anything. You can add your phone, which I will show you in a different video here. And then your audio. So audio, you can actually shut it off with the hard point buttons down here. Oh, they've already brought me there. Audio off, simply tap it, comes right back on. Tap it again, get you in here. So your source change, AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth stereo, you plug in your phone with the USB, it's gonna give you a couple different options for anything else you plug into the car. Direct tune, very, very simple. Me personally, I'm a NASCAR fan, so XM channel 90 shows you here. Tap it, brings you right to it. So we got Paul Wolf, crew chief for Brad Keselowski on there right now. As you can see, audio change.
Increase as you move on through the playoffs.
And the really cool thing about the updated cars, you can actually set your presets down at the bottom. So as you can see here, you got FM, you've got a couple AM stations, an XM station. You just simply press and hold, and it's there. As with anything, tap, it brings you to the next station. So you can actually bookmark, go back, and you can actually rewind your XM to a certain point. Personally, I don't do this, I've never done it, but as you can see here, I've never done that. I do apologize. But your channels, what your type of music is, you want to listen to sports, anything of that nature. Back to home, get that off the screen, turn that off. Boom, there we go. All right, so your phone, again, I'll show you the phone here on a different video, exactly how that's gonna work. Your apps, you can add a device, find mobile apps when pairing your phone, and settings. So settings controls your audio. Your clock, which is the same adjustment as up top. It's gonna give you your temperature, of course, it's 80 degrees outside, as you can see here. Your Bluetooth settings. Phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
XM. What exactly your settings are going to be for XM. Driver assistance. So with the 20s, it's going to add a lot of the safety equipment. So you can see here, lane keeping system. Change the intensities of the alerts, pre-collision, blind spot information, cross traffic, driver alert, traction control, all that. Vehicle control. So 30-minute max idle, which means you can literally sit here for 30 minutes and then the car will shut off. The My Key adjustments, onboard modem serial number, remote start, setup, wiper adjustments, the door keypad code. A lot of people want to know how you change that keypad number on these cars. And that is exactly how, right there, with the door keypad code. Tap, you punch in your factory code, and then you punch in your new one. give you the option to punch in the new one. Ford Pass Connect, which is a really cool app to have. Personally, I love that app. I can go over that with you on a different video as well. Change your vehicle hotspot, connectivity settings, Wi-Fi controls, same as that little tab up here. Your general settings, all your units, your measurements, your beeping. Do you want the, when I tap the button, you can't really hear it, I assume. But you can kind of hear the buttons being tapped. Yeah, maybe not. But you can turn that off, automatic system updating through Wi-Fi and when you connect it to your home or business. About sync analytics, diagnostic software, all the stuff that you're probably never, ever gonna touch. 911 assist, you can turn it on and off. So if you get in accidents, automatic updates again, same as in general. Your mobile apps, enable mobile apps used via USB port, down there. Enable mobile apps, nothing's connected, so it's not gonna give you the option. Your Apple CarPlay, remove iPhone, Apple CarPlay active. Your display, change your display. Do you want a different background, brightness, day mode, calm screen? Tap it, brings you right back. Display off. Tap it, brings it right back. The different brightnesses, your voice controls, advanced mode, phone confirmation, command lists, and then you also have valet mode, which is going to, as you can see here. Do you want to continue? No. But that is your very quick, very simple rundown on how to use the Ford Sync 3 system. And it's going to be very similar on every vehicle with the up-to-date Ford Sync 3 on any Ford product. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great rest of your day.